Hi, welcome to the annual Labor Day sale at Jones Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. I'm Gary Hale, I'm the store manager.
And I'm Dan Albin, the new car sales manager. And this weekend is the best time to get your best deal on any new or pre-owned Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep or Ram.
And here's what we got going on, folks. Discounts and rebates up to $15,000 on selected vehicles. 0% financing available on most vehicles. Trades, if you got a trade, we pay more for your trades than any Chrysler, Dodge, Ram dealer in the state of Maryland. And what else we got, Dan?
We got Jones for a lifetime with free car washes, free oil changes, and an engine guaranteed for life.
Folks, we got the biggest inventory around. We got more Grand Cherokees, Compass, Gladiators, and Ram trucks. More Ram trucks than anybody. Not to mention, what we got, Dan? Where are we?
The #1 truck dealer in Maryland.
You just heard it, folks. The #1 Ram truck dealer in the state of Maryland. This is the best weekend to come down and get your best deal of the year. Today, tomorrow, Monday. Come see Dan or come see Gary for your absolute best deal.